In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make melt and pour soap step by step. Whether you're making soap for yourself, gifts, or even to sell, this method is one of the easiest way to get started. Let's get into it. Start by cutting your melt and pour soap base into small, even cubes. Smaller pieces melt faster and more evenly, which helps prevent overheating. Now it's time to melt the soap base. The key here is gentle heat. Once the soap is fully melted, let it cool slightly before adding fragrance and color. Add your fragrance gradually and stir gently to avoid creating bubbles for color. Start small. This step is optional, but this is where you can customize your soap. If you're using exfoliant like oatmeal or clay, stir them in slowly to help reduce bubbles. Now carefully pour your soap into the molds. Pour slowly to reduce trapped air bubbles. As soon as you've poured the soap, spray the surface lightly with isopropyl alcohol. This helps pop surface bubbles and gives the soap a smoother finish. Now leave the soap undisturbed at room temperature until fully firm. Once fully set, gently peel the mold away from the soap rather than pulling the soap out forcefully. This helps prevent dent or marks on the finished bars. Finally, wrap and store your soap properly. And that's it. Melt and pour soap is finished. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more soap making videos.